Welcome to my channel. We about to get lit. Don't forget to double tap, like my pic. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. Popping out glitter. Come to my channel. Got the mug bumps. Got the get ready. Chit chat story time. Like my pic. Comment, subscribe, share, follow. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Hello, my little candy house. Hey, hey, yeah, I'm just gonna say candy house because I go by the name of Too Sweet. Even though the channel name is Jinx, I'm pretty. But I'm actually going to just show everybody how I style my hair. Like for the girls, that have the little teeny weeny afros, but you still want to look cute with the curly hair, the wigs, the weaves, all that. But I am going to be putting on a wig. These two braids, I'm going to decorate them. So we finna slick this down. We finna just get together and all that. So I hope this video helps somebody. So I'm just gonna call it, I guess, like a little get ready with me. So let's get into it. I wanted to show you guys the back part of my hair. What I did was I just put rubber bands and I did simple little small box braids in my hair so it could grow. Like everybody has their own technique. Hey you guys, so basically in the video I'm showing you the products I use is just Granilla Snot and Got to Be Glue. That's what I use to gel my edges down. Inside the Gorilla Glue, the Weaving Bond Super Blonde Weave Glue, I actually use that for the Granilla Snot because I feel like it holds it a little bit much stronger. And mind you guys, this is just what I do to get my edges to look nice. I don't expect someone else to do it, but if it can help someone that, as you can see, my front part of my hair is real short, is real thin. But basically, this is what I do to make my wigs look nice and to blend in. I love curls. I'm always using these little curly little perm rod things to curl my wigs. This is actually a full lace front though. In the back part of the hair, as you can see, is a different color because I added braiding hair. Yes, I did because it was getting real thin. I'm just adding, little cute accessories to my hair. This is the style that I do. I like to gel some of my hair in the front and then do two braids. It's just to give the illusion that my hair is real thick and real full. So yeah, and right here, the first spray was just some hair mayonnaise and water mixed together, and the second one was my curl boost. And as you can see, the Granilla Snot is showing up black. That's like I said because I mix my weaving hair glue inside of the gel. So I keep saying glue, but you know what I mean. And by the way, I do love using the free spray. I like it. I enjoy it. I feel like it does hold my hair units down good. And yes, as you see, I spray some even on the wig because yes, I want it to hold down. I don't want it to lift up. I don't want it to, you know, move off my head. So yes, I'm gonna make sure it's hold down good, and it doesn't take off none of my hair because I'm very careful with that. Right here, I'm just showing you guys how I do my eyelashes. You don't have to do it like this. Oh, this glue is the glue that I use to mix inside of my gel. But basically, I cut my eyelashes in half because it's hard for me to put them on. But as you can see, I get the job done and stuff. I do me a cute little fake mole. And yeah, I use like lip liner to make my lips look like a nice little, red or pink color so it won't look as dark. These are just, little cute hacks that I use to enhance the beauty, ladies. So if you do find my ideas helpful or you feel like, okay, I could use that, go ahead. But this is just what I do as my typical everyday look. Just, so I can have my little pretty vibe and stuff. My hair is actually gelled down good, so glued down, gelled down, so I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm bobby pinning it down as well too, just to give it more secure. You never know. And actually, to be honest, I'm about to just style it, and that's what I do to complete my hair and my everyday look. So like I said, I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Oh, see you guys later. Bye. Oh, sorry.